I'm interrupting this program with some more breaking news. That's right. That's right. Return of the Ghetto Legends. We're going out west. January 7th, and guess where the show is? At the LA Forum. Yep, we're right there. I'm throwing up some powder like LeBron. It's going crazy. January 7th. Go to the website and get the tickets. Or go to the app. You don't got the app? You don't want to come to this show. But January 7th, we in LA. Shit. Get the tickets. Me, Chico, DC. Still ain't found me no new opener yet, though. Still ain't found me no new opener. Send me those clips. January 7th, Return of the Ghetto Legends. Merry Christmas. I get with you.
You gonna take care of me? Fuck that. Pre-trial me home.
Yeah. Let me be all on. Straight on.
Take me to the crib.
You hear me?
Drop me
Drop me
off.
off my bed, court.
Yeah, I gotta be fucked up. I ain't going nowhere, cause it wasn't me.
I'm gonna make my
That's
court
the look
date.
right there, DC.
It wasn't me.
No, that ain't it. The one you said before that. Hold on, here you go. Go ahead and drop me off.
Yeah.
I'm at the crib.
Go ahead and drop me off. Yeah. Like Ricky told Trey and boys in the hood. Hey,
Go ahead and drop me out.
yo,
He dropped his
dog.
ass out too. He pulled his ass over.
Yo, dog. Me out.
Go ahead and drop me out.
Fuck the bullshit. I ain't ready today.
Go ahead and drop me
I mean, I know I said I was with the mission, and I got dressed in pregame, yeah, nigga, I was with it. But somewhere in between here and there on the highway, I was like, man, I ain't even with it. Say, go on and drop me off back at the crib. I give you some gas, nigga, I know where I live. I know it's far in the bitch, and you gotta make a U-turn, but shit, I guess you'll learn that I ain't the nigga to call on in the time of need, unless that time is in between 9 and 3. Cause once the sun go down, nigga, so do I. I'm trying to lay a bitch down, not go out, my guy. So shit, go on and drop me off back at the crib. And hit that Zaxby's on that bitch, trying to get that 5-finger deal. And then I'm gonna blow a blunt for real.
But you know what? Why you ain't got no car?
Shit.
He just told me all that shit, and you ain't even driving that far.
And then added a stop. Nigga wanna go to Zaxby's and everything.
He told me, nigga, 9 and 3, but you riding with me. What the fuck?
But you ain't like you found out today that I always gotta ride with you.
Okay.
Sometimes you pull up round 2, and then we'll blow a blunt or 4, and then after that you'll hit that door. But then today you pulled up real late. Swear to God, my nigga, you got there way past 8, and you was talking about hitting the club, and I was with it. But after that, hitting the tub, I was like, go on ahead and drop me off.
I tell you, man, it's that time of the month. I was gonna go outside before I hit this blunt and got dressed. I was under some stress. I still went outside to do my best. I put my pants on. I grabbed my shirt. I had already just got off of work. Rolled up a blunt, maybe 3, just to see who was gonna pull up and fuck with me if I don't go nowhere. Cause I'm chilling like a sport. I'm gonna really just chill in hell, hang out on the porch and maybe make a sandwich, smoke a blunt, like I told you. Cause I'm a no-limit soldier. See, me and my girl broke up cause she was dirty. But Maury come on around 4:30. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I keep it true. Cause earlier this morning I was up watching Judge Judy. They played an episode or 2, and then I flipped a couple channels and I started watching The View. Just to disagree with some of these hoes. They make some good fucking points, but I already know that they didn't know what the fuck they talking about. We in the ATL where niggas go crazy and start to walk it out. You know just where I live. I ain't drive to work today, so shit, just drop me by the crib.
I woke up real early today to do my taxes. Smoked the blunt, got distracted and started watching Judge Mathis. And that nigga said it sounded like a crackhead move to this one dude who was arguing with this one black dude over some little shit. Cause you don't even get but 5,000 when you go to court. Nigga talking all that chatter, talking about he bust a car, scratched that bitch all up, burnt some carpet up and told some clothes and whatever the fuck. And after that, all he said was that you get 1,200. Swear to God. And I was like,
that ain't no money.
that ain't shit, nigga. And I've been watching all this shit and forgot what I was supposed to been doing, which was taxes. By the time I remembered, the office was closed, so I'm lacking. So I gotta pay any extra dividends and penalties and extra fees. Shit, I'm blowing trees. So go on ahead and drop me off.
Damn.
Drop me by the crib.
The interest ain't no hold on.
It ain't though.
Drop him off.
Yeah.
They say
I know
two
you gonna
people
tell
you
the
gonna
story,
pay.
and I don't wanna
It's the
hear about it.
coroner and the IRS.
Drop me off. Matter of fact, you can have my car. You drop me off.
Shit, I can't wait to get that rich.
You trying to be rich?
But I ain't gonna lie, he can have that car, little buddy, cause this shit stolen. You get caught then, you don't even know me. For real. My name ain't John, but tonight is the Antoine, for real. You did, okay? Cause he might tell, and I know well, but he better not do that cause I know where he stay, and you know I know where he lay. But get what? Hold up. Matter of fact, I'm finna drop him off.
Shit. Hey, but to answer your question, hell no, I ain't trying to be just rich, man. I'm trying to be way past rich. I'm trying to be so fucking paid that I make rich look sick. I'm talking
I get
about
so much money that I don't even like niggas. I'm talking way more money than them white niggas. Hey, I know that shit sound crazy, but I want some long ass paper like an old white lady.
Hey man, I tell y'all the truth. Won't tell no tales. I want my pockets to look like I got a BBL. I'm talking about so many stacks that when I reach off in it, I fuck around and drop 5 just for going off in it. Like,
I'm gonna tell you something
Nah, I picked that bitch
a
up.
lot of people won't say. I'm trying to have my money like, hey,
That too much. Stop. I know some niggas that are raw. Stop.
Hey, so much money that it's hard for me to sit. So much money that I might buy a bitch.
Hey.
So much money that I feel kind of rich. So much money that your bitch want to lick.
Hey, talking about real pay, you smell me? Talking about way past rich, like wealthy. I'm talking about, nigga, I got to share it. So much money I pay another nigga to carry.
so much money. We ain't talking about G's. I'm talking about so much money, everything we eat got cheese on already. Even the spaghetti. I even might eat it with lettuce on the side, make a salad. Sleep on a pallet. Ain't they say we the best like DJ Khaled? I might hit my bitch with a mallet. And I don't never touch it, just grab
I'm
it.
talking about so paid hoes call me out of desperation. And my ex-girl say, can we get a separation? I'm talking about so much money that I save my generations. And we don't ask white folks for no fucking reparations.
What about so much money? I eat a lot of Danishes. Fuck that, nigga. I'm talking speaking different languages. I might say, you fucking peasant.
Fucking fancy.
That's real. So much money, I gotta fucking seal.
Oh, okay.
So much money like a coffin. Even got a motherfucking pet dog. And his name is Luke. He listened to Uncle Luke. I even hang with Doug Flute. Fluted. Even my girl got a big pretty booty.
Lopes, that sounds preposterous. Nigga, I got a pet, walrus, and
I thought you was gonna say right now.
Look at what? I got some binoculars.
Since you talking, I'm good at math. I'm gonna be like Michael Jackson buying me some llamas and a giraffe.
Hey, that's
Put
real
my face
plain
up
to
on the
see.
poster.
I'm in the
Come over to my house and ride a nigga roller coaster.
Oh, you got a roller coaster with all the rides?
Yeah.
Nigga, I got a llama and he chilling outside. Hey.
Ain't gonna lie. That might as well, but ain't gonna lie. Y'all light bill is high as hell.
Hey, but I got all my shit is
got the
solar powered. That mean the sun is paying us for hours. Hey, guess what? We be taking money showers. So much money, nigga, you can have hours.
So much money. My girl named Jessica didn't buy no tennis. She had breasts with her when she came, but I might change her name. Cause she like to pop pills and do cane.
So much
you
money.
need to get out around her,
And that money, it came off of crypto. The dollars turn bitches into nymphos. And you know that we is some rich Negroes.
And them dollars turn haters into kinfolk. Niggas act like they see you when they been broke. Niggas woke up with hugs and daps niggas are talking about robbing you and busting caps. Niggas talking
So much money on my mama's
You
only
that chopper,
son.
nigga?
So much money, I got an elephant gun. So much money, man, I'm having some fun. I'm talking about so much money, it's like I own Bitcoin.
I'm talking about so much money. I'm talking about who shoot you. Big gun. I got a bazooka. I'm talking about big flex. Nigga, my gun so big like a T-Rex.
so much money when I pull it. Nigga, I got a loud gun with quiet bullets.
Okay. What that thing say? Hold up.
That's your gun. Well, I might be broken, cause I'm coming with that long shit, like the Joker.
Okay.
And you might get your ass kicked. Guns so big, them bitches look Jurassic.
Okay.
And they be like, how I shoot if it's plastic? And I be like, bitch, don't ask it. Because if I pull that bitch, it's gonna be a casket.
Ooh, but don't grab it. Ooh, boom, pop. Ooh, that's tragic.
Wait, this fantastic.
I'm talking about that was fantastic. Oh, shit, no.
Hold up. Cause I got one more.
Yeah.
I got a gun so big they don't even sell it at a store. You gotta know a Mexican nigga named Mo. He meet you at the store and be like, come on, bro. He got that bitch under a blanket. And the whole van stanky. Like somebody farted in it, but the paint all scratched up like they had a party in it.
I got a gun. When it go off, you can track it far. That bitch so heavy, my cousin holds the back part. And then you gotta watch out for the recoil. 'Cause last time I bust that bitch, I dropped it out. Ooh, it fall. It hit a baby. All across the forehead.
Shit.
And the whole bitch was metal. I'm talking about MOLED.
MOLED.
And when it fell off into pieces. They thought it was a truck. And we made off Reese pieces.
You still got it?
Hold up.
Hell no,
Wanna
I
sell
lost it.
one? I just bought a rail gun.
You got a real gun, but I ain't no chump. This gun's so big, I'm holding it, but the best in the trunk.
At this chick house, hollering about booty. A nigga sold me a gun, swear it was on Call of Duty. That hoe was so long and pretty paws. But when they do it, these niggas be like, ooh, haw. Throw up their hands, be like, ooh, Lord. And I'll be like, doo, ba, ba, ooh, ah.
That's a long night.
Yeah.
Nigga might have to call in a drone strike.
I caught that. Let me rewind. I bought that.
Yeah.
Y'all buying too many guns because you Russian. I got that big shit. It's like I got it in Russia.
Ooh.
I had
That
a
motherfucker with that little seat on it. And you can lean back, prop up your feet on it.
Hey, you can lean back and prop up your feet.
Yeah.
You can lean back and prop up your feet.